Hi friend, how are you all? Today we will start Vista's lesson number 2, The Tiger King by Kalki. In this unit, especially main character is the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, King of Pratibandhapuram. His name is Jung Bahadur. Let's see what is in the story. Story of a king Jung Bahadur of Pratibandhapuram. Pratibandhapuram is the name of city. A brave warrior whose death had been predicted when he was born. The chief astrologer had predicted as the royal child was born in the hour of the bull. The tiger being its enemy. Tiger means last tiger means number of 100 tiger, its enemy. Whose enemy is king's enemy. Death would come to the child by a tiger. The brave prince. Who is prince? Who is brave prince? The Jung Bahadur. Ask all tigers to be aware of him. Come to be known as Tiger King. This story was considered to be a rumor in the kingdom, but after looking at the events that happened subsequently, it can be concluded to be true. The prince became king at age of 20 and considered killing a cow in self-defense to be a lawful. Went on a tiger killing spree. He was warned of danger from the 100th tiger. He killed 99 tiger, but he was afraid of 100 tiger that he encountered, as all the tigers in his kingdom had been killed by him, means King Bahadur. But still he had to kill more. He married into a state having a high population of tigers. When his killings reached 99, he desperately sought the next hunt. Fearing the king's harshness, the minister planted an old tiger in the forest for him to kill. Satyr, in the words, wandered into the Maharaja's presence and stood as if in humble supplication, indicate the tiger and understood the king's vow and gave in to it, begging him to kill it and fulfill his vow. It shows the pride of the king. At last, the king fire at means king fire tiger, but the tiger escaped the bullet miraculously. The royal hunters feared. The royal hunters know the tiger is not dead, but the tiger is alive. The king and so did not inform him why they were afraid of the king. Rather they killed the beast themselves. Although the king was believed, he killed 100 tiger. But what happened? Let's see. The king killed only 199 tiger, not 100 tiger. A few days later, the Maharaja's son's third birthday was celebrated. Until then, the Maharaja had given his entire mind over to tiger hunting. King was forgotten. He thought he killed 100 tiger, but he killed only 99 tiger. One tiger was remaining and one tiger was alive. He had no time to spare for the crown prince, but now the king turned his attention to the child. He wished to give him some special gift on his birthday. He went to the shopping center in Pratibandhapuram and searched every shop but couldn't find anything suitable. Finally, he spotted a wooden tiger. Dear students, please understand. He spotted a wooden tiger in a toy shop and decided it was the perfect gift. The wooden tiger cost only two annas and a quarter. But the shopkeeper knew that if he quoted such a low price to the Maharaja, he would be punished under the rules of the emergency because the birthday was king's son, prince's birthday. He would be punished. So he said, Your Majesty, O King, this is an extremely rare example of craftsmanship, a bargain at 300 rupees. That wooden tiger's real price was 2 anna and quarter, but he told him, he tells him 300 rupees. Very good, because he is a king. Very good. Let this be your offering to the crown prince on his birthday, sighed the king and took it away with him. On that day, father and son played with that tiny little wooden tiger. It had been carved by an unskilled carpenter, not skilled carpenter, unskilled. He was poorly done. The shopkeeper, fearing punishment under the rules of emergency, charged a high price. As both the king and his son were playing with the tiger, one of the thin pieces of wood that were erupting out of the wooden tiger like feathers pierced the king's right hand. Its surface was rough, tiny slivers would stood up the quills. The next day, infection fled in the Maharaja's right hand. In 4 days, it developed into a supporting store which spread all over the. Three famous surgeons were brought in from Madras. After holding consultations, they decided to operate. The operation took place. The three surgeons who performed it came out of the theatre and announced the operation was successful, but the Maharaja is dead. The wound became infection spread through his arm and he was being operated upon, but king died. So, ironically, the 100 tiger killed. Tiger is tiger. After all, he is real tiger or wooden tiger. Killed the king and eventually took its revenge. In this manner, the 100 tiger took its final revenge upon the tiger king. Okay, dear students, here we complete our unit number 2. Next unit I will send you later. Okay.